Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we resume our drive north on I-55 in Grundy County, Illinois. We're finally getting into the Chicago metropolitan area, or Chicagoland as it's locally known, which spreads out from the city of Chicago and even reaches into Wisconsin and Indiana, which have borders nearby to Chicago. Grundy County has a population of 52,533 as of the 2020 census and is the center of population for the entire state of Illinois. We enter the village of Gardner, named for its founder, Henry C. Gardner. The village had an estimated population of 1,381 as of 2019. Exit 227 provides access to the Masonia-Braidwood State Fish and Wildlife Area, one of Northeast Illinois' most popular destinations for hunting and fishing. We enter Will County with the village of Diamond on the left and the city of Braidwood on the right. Will County has a population of 696,355 as of the 2020 census, making it the fourth most populous county in Illinois. Will County is one of the 5 collar counties of the Chicago, Naperville, Elgin, Illinois, Indiana, Wisconsin metropolitan statistical area. The collar counties are the 5 counties that border Cook County, which is home to Chicago. Will County was named after Dr. Conrad Will, politician and businessman involved in salt production in southern Illinois. The county is a major hub in the United States natural gas pipeline grid where pipelines from Canada and the Gulf of Mexico meet and then fan out to serve the Midwest. To the right, we have a rare highway encounter with a wooden pickup truck called the Lake Buggy, and the lights on the roof indicate that it may even be a police car. Now there's something you don't see every day. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. At the Des Plaines River, we see a pair of cantilevered through-truss bridges built in 1957 known as the Smith Bridge. This is the fifth Smith Bridge that has crossed the river here since 1852, all with the same name. These bridges were built to carry Route 66 across the river. This highway became I-55 in 1960. At the river, we enter the village of Channahon, which had a population of 13,383 as of the 2020 census. Located at the confluence of the Des Plaines and Kankakee rivers, the village's name means meeting of the waters in the language of the area's original Potawatomi inhabitants. We conclude today's video at mile marker 248. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.